Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl J Simone. In today's video I'll be showing you how to get a slick back bun. Yes honey, super easy. I will show you my tips and tricks on how I achieved it. So if you're interested, continue watching. So we just go ahead and get started. I just use gel. So Eco Style gel to slick it down, and I also use a leave-in conditioner. You want to make sure that your hair is completely clean. This hairstyle isn't going to be as slick as you want it, so make sure that you do wash and condition your hair, because that's basically the tip of the iceberg of how you're going to get the hair to be slick. So I usually do the side that my edges lay better, and this is the side where of course my edges lay better. So we're gonna party, and then we're gonna get to slicking. You can part it any way that you want, whichever side best fits for you. The left side usually always fits best for me. So now I'm going to break my hair up into a few sections. You want to start from the back first, because you want to get that section out the way. As soon as you get that back part slicked down, you'll be able to easily slick the front down. So I'm gonna use my Mielle leave-in conditioner. It's the Hawaiian ginger kind. I'm just applying the leave-in conditioner first throughout my hair, then I'm gonna apply the gel. The key to this hairstyle is to make sure you have a good slip to your hair, because if you don't, it's not gonna lay flat. So that's why it's really good to wash, deep condition your hair before you do this style. I don't recommend this style if it's dirty, just being 100% honest with you. And if you need to add more water to your hair, please add more water. Getting so soaking wet. Oh, be prepared for some sore and exhausted hands and arms, okay? Just be prepared. Pro tip. I have some plans tonight, so that's why I'm doing my hair, y'all. I haven't did my hair in forever. So this is my go-to hairstyle when I need to look real cute and real fast, okay? All right, so now that your leave-in conditioner is all set in your hair, you're going to use the Eco Style gel to slick it. Yes, I use Eco Style gel because it just works for my hair. I used to use jam to slick it down, but it wouldn't last. The Eco Style gel is a water-based gel, so it's going to lay it down and it's going to stay a lot bit longer than a jam. But of course you can use any type of styling product that you like. And I'm just going to put gel all through my hair and brush it down. Also, don't be afraid to use Eco Style gel and a lot of Eco Style gel. I'm not opposed of using a lot of Eco Style gel. Sorry. I'm a sister that love Eco Style, okay? Now this is the part where you're gonna want to freestyle it. You see how slick that is? Just from Eco Style, just from washing your hair and conditioning it, just from detangling it. This is the simplest hairstyle that I ever done. Literally, it's my go-to for sure. Each section that I'm doing that's done, I just put it in a little ball like that, just to keep the form. Now I'm about to do this side. It's a lot of Eco. Y'all, please get into this lick. Please. Get into it, please. Look, y'all. I'm just trying to put y'all on. Look at this lick. Now, I'm gonna put it in the scrunchie so I can do my edges. Now, this is not the final step. This is just the step to get your edges right. And then we're gonna take this out and then redo the ponytail. And I'm using Eco Style for the edges as well. And you see how it's kind of like lumpy up here? No worries, we're gonna fix that with a scarf, okay? And a brush. It's already looking done, y'all. We're gonna take the ponytail out again and just smooth it one more time. Be sure it's absolutely smooth. You're gonna take that same scrunchie and you're just gonna wrap it tightly. This time you need to wrap it really tight. Arms. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. This part is up to you. You can leave your ponytail out, or in the instance of this video, we'll be doing fun. I'm gonna take my ponytail and do a twist. And depending on how big you want your ponytail, depends on if you want it to twist it or not. I don't care for huge buns. I'm just gonna do my bun like that. Oh, look at that little curl. And then I'm just gonna wrap my other scrunchie around. That's it. That's it. All you have to do now is marinate it. Gonna marinate it, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on a scarf, do my makeup, and I'll come back and show you guys the final results. Period. Okay, y'all, so it's been about 20 minutes because I've been doing my makeup. So let's take off the scarf now. Do you see the slick? Like, come on. Quick, easy hairstyle. You can do this hairstyle in about 20 minutes tops, honestly. Come here real quick, sis. Look at the texture. All I used was Eco Style, a leave-in conditioner. That's all you need, honey. That's all you need, honey. And that is pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I don't even have to, usually I'll go over my edges, but I don't even gotta do that. That's it. If you have any questions for me, you can leave it down below. That's the end of this video, because I mean, look at my hair. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.